Namaskar. Your bathroom is more than just a functional space. It's where you start and end your day. However, a warm, humid environment of the bathroom can turn some seemingly harmless item into health hazards. So, there are certain things that should never be kept there. Here are 5 things you should never keep in the bathroom. First, we have old razors. Old razors are the breeding ground for bacteria. As they sit in the moist environment of your bathroom, rust can develop and the blades become dull, increasing the risk of cuts and infection. Replace your razor blades regularly or switch to a high quality electric razor to avoid this issue. Next, we have harsh antibacterial soaps. While harsh antibacterial soaps may feel like the best defense against germs, they can actually be bad for your skin health. These soaps often contain powerful chemicals which not only strip away the natural oil that protects your skin and also disrupt the natural balance of the bacteria. This may cause dryness, irritation, and even conditions like eczema. So, instead of harsh antibacterial soap, use soaps made with ingredients like aloe vera, coconut oil, and essential oils. They support the balance of your skin, helping you maintain healthy, hydrated skin without the risk of irritation and dryness. Remove scented candles from your bathroom. While scented candles can create a relaxing atmosphere, keeping them in the bathroom might not be the best idea. The moisture in the air can affect the quality of the candle, causing it to lose fragrance over time. Additionally, some scented candles contain harmful chemicals that can be released in the air when burnt, especially in a small enclosed place like bathroom. Opt for natural alternatives like essential oil diffusers, which are safer and more effective in maintaining a pleasant aroma. Don't keep old, unused makeup in the bathroom. Makeup can harbor bacteria, especially when kept in the damp environment like bathroom. Old or unused products can cause skin irritation, breakouts, and even eye infection. Regularly declutter your old makeup and ensure that all products are stored in a cold and dry place to prolong their shelf life. Finally, remove damp towels and loofahs from the bathroom. Towels and loofahs are prime environment for mold and bacteria when left damp. Hanging them into your bathroom doesn't always allow them to dry completely, especially in poorly ventilated spaces. After use, make sure to hang them outside the bathroom in some well ventilated area or wash them frequently in hot water to keep them fresh and hygienic. Remember, your bathroom should be a retreat, a place where you can focus on self-care and relaxation. While removing these 5 items, you can be ensured that this space remains safe and healthy, allowing it fully enjoy the peace it's meant to offer. Bathroom is a place where you would definitely enjoy peace, which bathroom is meant for. Bathroom gives you relaxation. So when all these things which are harmful are removed, you will definitely have that peaceful time and relaxing time in bathroom. Namaskar.